These are going to be the only 3 indicators that you need for your stock options trading strategy in 2023. Let's get into the video. So what you guys are going to do is go to tradingview.com, or you could do it on thinkorswim. You're just going to have to find out how to apply these indicators in a different way. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset the chart view, and then I'm going to get rid of these indicators. Now that I've removed the indicators, you're going to see something like this. Now what you're going to do is come to indicators, and you're going to look up EMA 20, 50, 100, and 200, and then that is going to put some more stuff on your screen. You're going to go to MACD, which is going to be the moving average convergence divergence. And then you're going to look up RSI, which is going to stand for Relative Strength Index. Once you've done that, you should see all of these things on your screen. Now I'm going to go through each one of them and tell you what they are, but all you need to know is that these are all you need to know for trading stock options or trading stocks in general. If anyone tells you that you need more things than this, it's because they want to make it look complicated so that you buy stuff from them. I'm just letting you know that right now. But either way, this is going to be your EMA lines, and that is going to be the red line, the orange line, teal line, and blue line. And I can explain exactly what these mean, but basically this blue line is going to be more of a steady line, and that's because it averages everything out over a longer period of time. And the ones that are more erratic, like the red line, are going to be the ones that are averaging everything from the past like 20 days. So that's why these will move more with the stock. But what you're going to do is for the EMA lines is once you have entered the EMA lines, this is going to be an indication that once you've crossed over this red and orange line, that you're probably going to switch the trend that you're on. So you're going to have a trend reversal most likely once you have entered these EMA lines. This means if it was trending previously up a lot like SPY was, and then you enter your EMA lines, once that happens, you're going to be able to enter a trade on a put to bet against this stock. Because most likely the trend is reversing and the price will go down. So once you enter the EMA lines again, like this one has, then you could again enter a trade, and then it'll most likely reverse again, and you could be entering calls at this point. So that's how you're going to be able to use the EMA lines. Now you want to pair this also with the MACD. So the MACD is going to be how you also measure trend reversals. So once the blue line goes below the orange line, this is going to indicate a reversal. So you can see here that right here, the MACD did cross over the blue line under the orange line. However, we had not entered the EMA lines yet. So this is where you're going to pair these two indicators together. And yes, if one happens and the other doesn't happen, you want to wait a bit. So yes, we are trending down on the MACD. Finally, we enter these EMA lines, and that is going to be an indicator, okay, maybe I should possibly take a position here on a put at $444, you know, say you do it just like slightly in the money, and then you let your stock option play out. Once you enter the EMA lines again, or when the MACD crosses back over the blue line over the orange line, then you can exit your trade. And then finally, we're going to have our RSI. So the RSI is going to be an indicator that shows us whether we're overbought or we're oversold. So once we're above 70, that is going to indicate that, hey, we're going to be trending down at some point. So you can see that the RSI goes above 70 before the MACD goes under and reverses the trend, and before the EMA reverses into the lines as well. So once that happens, you're going to be waiting for the MACD to then cross over, and then the EMA lines to the price to enter the EMA lines, and then you're going to say, okay, now we're trending back down. It's already at 70, now it's at 60. We're most likely reversing this trend, and we're going to be heading down. You'd be buying puts at this point. So these are the 3 indicators that will tell you if a stock's overbought and whether the trend is reversing, and then that's when you're going to want to enter your trade. So that's going to be an easy 3 indicator setup for you guys. I hope that made a lot of sense. If it didn't, let me know what your questions are in the comment section below, and I'll try to get to them. But thank you guys for watching. My name is Zach from Finance Bro. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.